In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Ninjatrader account dashboard. This is a quick, straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be able to get into your dashboard confidently and know what to expect once you're there. I'll also share a few practical tips to keep your login smooth and secure. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Ninjatrader login site. If you're typing the address yourself, double-check the spelling and make sure you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid clicking on links from random emails or ads. Going directly to the official site helps protect your account. If the page looks odd or doesn't load correctly, try refreshing it, clearing your cache, or opening it in a private browsing window. Once you're sure you're on the correct login page, you're ready to sign in. Next, enter the username or email and the password you registered with Ninjatrader. Type carefully, since passwords are case-sensitive. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce typos, but always confirm it's filling in the correct site. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you may be prompted for a verification code. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete that step. If you can't remember your password, use the password recovery link on the page and follow the prompts to reset it securely. Keep your credentials private and avoid logging in on shared or public devices whenever possible. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to your account dashboard. This is your central hub. Here, you'll typically see your account overview and quick access to key areas such as platform downloads, licensing or subscriptions, account status, and support resources. Look for a navigation menu, usually along the top or side, so you can move between sections easily. If you just created your account, some areas may be blank until you set things up or complete verification steps specific to your account type. If something doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to load or refresh it. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can quickly find what you need the next time you sign in. When you're done, it's a good habit to log out, especially on shared computers, and consider bookmarking the official login page for faster access in the future. That's it. Open your browser to the official login page, enter the email or username and password you registered with, and you'll land on your Ninjatrader account dashboard. You're all set.